Okay, so we're in the Siam area, and we're just gonna walk around here. And it's completely different. This area is heavy amount of tourists everywhere. So you'll see. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So you'll see, like the only Thai people you'll see probably will be the ones working here. So, okay, let's walk around and check it out. I see some Thai people, but generally it's like mostly from around the world. All kinds of tourist stuff. So this is which mall is this? It's at Siam. Can't remember the name of the mall. There's Tops Market. So some of the other previous videos I've had some shopping malls that I went to, and they all have a different feeling to them. Kind of like you can go to this. Sometimes when you go to different cities anywhere in the world, you'll see a different kind of people. Demographics change. So this one is like a lot of foreigners come here shopping. I noticed a lot of Indian in particular, Middle Eastern. So, but people from everywhere. But it's interesting. So we're gonna walk through it. And I can't remember the name of this one, but I'll let you know the name in a minute. American Classics, Miami Beach, or Jaina, Armani Suits, 69 shop, 69 for a baby clothing shop. Gyms. Off-white, what's that mean? Los Angeles, Ellen. Burger King is over there. Beauty salon. Oh, this is more suits. Nail salon. Okay, this is like kind of the beauty salon area. A lot of suits in this corner. Red suits. Let's see what else we can see over here. This is the exit. Let's just exit out of here. And we'll see what the name of this shopping complex is, and then we'll see if we can go to something different. Let's see. Complex. I don't know the name of this one. Well, I guess maybe in that case we'll walk back in again, because so we'll walk back in, and I was hoping to walk out by the name, but I kind of went around in a semicircle, so it's near the same place I entered, and I kind of want to go through the building. This building might be a little hard to go through. Let's see. Intersports. Yeah, it's interesting because this one is Siam has a very international crowd that's shopping, and I think some of them from the businesses too. We're gonna try to go through this, which I think is gonna be to the left, if we can walk through it. Which I believe would be this way. We can go through here, here, here. So I think we went down that way, but we haven't gone down this way. So we'll see. This is Tops Market. Well, I think if you look for Tops Market, you'll be able to see exactly where we are. Siam Tops Market will get you out. We'll just walk down this one. And I think I see an exit straight ahead, so we'll just walk and see if that is an exit or not. Looks like a parking lot. Okay. Yeah, it looks like a parking lot. Parking garage, I mean. Let's see. If I can go, just see if I can get through this. This is called the MBK Center. Can I go outside? So yes, this is called the MBK Center. And he said I can go outside. We'll see if I can. It looks like a... Yeah, you can. There's the outside. Okay. So that's the back side of the MBK. We just came through delivery. It's fine. Alright. We'll just go a little further because we'll just see where this comes out to. Looks like it comes out to the main street. They do got vending machines, so it can't be completely for so we'll come out to the main street and we'll see what's here. This is it. Back street. Wherever we are. Okay, MBK Center. Parking garage entrance. Okay, so Siam Square. So we're gonna go towards Siam Square. And it says, welcome to Ala Art. Ala Art. So we're gonna go into Ala Art. So I don't know what to expect here, but it looks like, wow, there's some pretty cool art though. Sunglasses, nail polish. So we're just gonna find out. I don't know if we can go through all this or not. Definitely got art here. Wow, pretty cool stuff too. I like this one. It's the bathrooms. So all the art might be basically like nail polish art. And hairdressers. So we'll find out. I guess we're gonna have to go down. So we go down and see what's in Ala Art. Walking towards Siam Square. Definitely like the artwork. The wall. Huh. Got artwork everywhere in here. Creating some artwork right here. Okay. So it looks like we're going to go right out of this building. So this is Ala Art, and it says we're going to Siam Square. So I don't know if we are or not, but this is MBK Center. I'm not sure which way to go. Ala Art Family Market. We're gonna walk out and just go into the main street and just see. So I think I was in the MBK Center, which is over there, and I will assume that I crossed that and I must have went right into this building, and then now we're down on this side. And all right, there's trains over there, and I think what I'm gonna do is go back, but we'll conclude this one for the Ala Art Center.